Okay, welcome back. Still trying to figure out why OBS keeps muting my mic. That's fun. Okay, so welcome back. We are working our way through this roguelike tutorial in Rust. I'm trying to learn how to use RLTK. I'm trying to learn how to use entity component systems in general. And I'm trying to also learn Rust at the same time. So a bunch of different things all at the same time, which makes things exciting. We just finished this stage here, render order. We've gotten through all of these guys here, and we're up to range scrolls and targeting, which we're going to start now. I think we're all good here in terms of commits. And let's see if we go here, we can take a look at this. Oh, okay. It's all good. And let's start with range scrolls and targeting. There we are. Range scrolls and targeting. So in the last chapter, we added items in inventory. Yep. And a single item type, a health potion. Now we'll add a second item type, a scroll of magic missile that lets you zap an entity at range, using components to describe what an item does. So in the last chapter, we pretty much wrote code to ensure that all items were healing potions. Oh, okay. That got things going, but isn't very flexible. So we'll start by breaking down items into a few more component types. We'll start with a simple flag component, consumable. Okay. Source loop components. We'll add a new consumable. Like that. So it's just a flag. Having this item indicates that using it destroys it. So we place the always called entities delete use item item expect delete failed in our PotionUseSystem, which we rename ItemUseSystem with this. Okay. Let's go to our PotionUseSystem. I forget where that is now. PotionUse. It is in the inventory system. PotionUse. There we are. So we replace I suddenly just got lost. Entities delete drink.potion. Entities delete use item item. Ooh, okay, so maybe there's a missing refactor in here. Instead of drink.potion, we're going to call it use item item. Okay, let's do that first to make sure we can refactor that. So instead of drink, we have use item. And instead of drink here, we want use item. And this is item then. Drink. There's no more drinks. That's a wants drink. So instead of, oh, there it is. Yep. Use item. Item. Okay. So I think we now need to update the component. Potion, right? Yeah. So instead of wants to drink potion, this needs to turn into wants to use item. This is item. We have to change drink to use item. We need to then change this drink to use item. Then I guess we change this to use items. And change this to use items. I'm kind of guessing here because IDMS like that. Okay. So I'm not sure what happened. Oh, here's another drink potion. So this is use item.item. And then potion heal amount changes to, oh, how do we get the potion? Oh yeah, it lets some potions get use item item, then potion heal amount. Ooh, that's not going to work though, right? Because this is going to get a wants to use item. Oh no, if we stick a potion in there, then that should be okay, right? Oh yeah, we're pulling it out of potions, so that still works. Okay. Did I factor that correctly? I did not. Oh, there's still a couple more of these. Let's see, game state, and then down here on inventory system, we got to clean that up. So wants to drink potion has to change to use item, and then there's one down here, and this is item entity, right? And then what was the problem here? Oh, wants drink clear. So over here we want to change this to use items clear. Oh, I still missed one. And use item. Okay. Oh, okay, it built. No idea if it works. Let's see if it works. Refresh. So I want to be able to use a healing potion. Oh, let's pick that up. Take some damage. There we go. Okay, I took some damage. I'm at 20 to 30. I can still do that, and I can still heal. Okay, so that worked. It's unfortunate that that wasn't explained here. I haven't even gotten to this step yet. I've added a consumable, but we're not using it. What do we have? Let's commit this refactor here. All right, so I added consumable, but that's not part of it. I should have done shouldn't have added everything. So we renamed wants to drink potion to wants to use item. We renamed potion to entity. We grabbed that from the right storage. That's a refactor there. Refactored that, renamed that, changed that, and registered that. I think we're good. Okay, so let's make sure Clippy's happy. Anything to change? Oh, yep. Okay. Git status. Git add source. Git commit -m refactor. I'm not going to worry about pulling out the consumable thing. Refactor wants to drink into wants to use. Okay, let's push that. Okay, so we're going to create consumable. So in our PotionUseSystem, oh, we have to rename that. Inventory system. There we go. So instead of PotionUse, I'm going to say ItemUse, right? Oops. Item use data, PotionUseSystem. Goes to ItemUseSystem, PotionUseData, ItemUseData. And then we're going to have to modify the game state so that PotionUseSystem changes to ItemUseSystem. And instead of potions, we're going to say items. Right? That should build. Good. That should Clippy. Git add source, git diff staged. Make sure I didn't. Everything is correct. Git commit -m. Let's see, renamed PotionUseSystem to ItemUseSystem. Okay, push that up. Yeah, that's what we want to rename it. Okay, good. So now in our PotionUseSystem, which we rename, we're going to replace this entities delete failed into this whole thing. All right, but we're going to simplify it. Like this. So we're going to say if let some consumable. Oh, no, we don't even need the consumable, right? So we can just say if consumables.get use item. Oh, we have to grab consumables. We don't have that yet. All right, we'll have to add that is some. Then we're going to do this. All right, and then we're going to have to add, I don't know, was it read storage? We're going to have to add something here, right? Consumable. We have to add that to here. Consumables. Right? It's quite simple. Check if the component has a consumable tag and destroy it if it does. Okay. So, does that build? Does not. Because I didn't add consumable. Oh, I didn't register it either, did I? So let's add consumable here. Bubble. And then in main, we have to add it. Right? Consumable. Okay, that builds. But then we have to tag the item. Oh, we do that down here, yeah, with consumable. Okay, let's do the other things first. Don't want to skip ahead. We replace the potion section with a provides healing to indicate that this is what the potion actually does. So we don't replace the potion section. Oh, this section here. So instead of potions get, we say provides healing. So do we rename? Do we still have a potion? No, now it's just called provides healing. Okay, so all we're going to do is rename that, right? Just lib components, potion to provides healing, and still says heal amount. Okay, and then here instead of potions get, we're going to be provides healing. And instead of potions, healing. Right? And then we have to change potion up here. Provides healing. Oops. There. And then, so we're going to do item heals is equal to healing.get, use item, stats, and then this is a heal. Oh, healer. Let's just skip forward to that. Healer.heal amount. Healer.heal amount. Okay. Drawing that together, our code for creating a potion in Spawner looks like this. So everything stays the same except everything else stays the same except these two guys, I bet. Where are we spawning the health potion? Here. All right, so instead of with potion, we'll say with provides healing and with consumable. Like that. So we're describing where it is, what it looks like, its name, denoting that it is an item consumed on use, and provides healing. Provides 8 points of healing. Okay. Does this build? Does not. Right, I still have potion in there. Source lib spawner. And then I don't have consumable. So I have to add consumable and change potion over. Provides healing. And then consumable. Right? Like that. Okay. Nope. Oh, we can't register. Yeah, we have to change that. Okay. Let's see if that builds. It does. It should still run. You got lucky last time with a... Let's see if I can survive. Orc is dead. Okay, so now I should be able to go get this health potion, right? Get I. And if I hit escape, it's still there. And then if I hit A, it should use it. Right now I'm at 4. I went up to 12. Drink the health potion, healing 8 HP. And it's been consumed. It's not listed anymore. Okay, so it all still works. Let's get Clippy involved. Clippy's happy. And so what we've done is we refactored potion into provides healing. Same here, we've added consumable to the read storage. We've basically renamed a few things here, and now we use this consumables tag to determine whether or not to delete it. I guess there's certain things that can be used but not consumed. That makes sense. And then we just rename this and added consumable there. Okay. Rename potion to provides healing. All right, so I guess today's the refactor stream, although we're only a little bit of the way along. All right, so describing ranged magic missiles. Okay, so now we're finally into the range stuff. Git push. We'll want to add a few more components. In components and registered in main, we've got ranged and inflicts damage. This in turn lets us write magic missile scroll function in spawner, which effectively describes a scroll. So it's the same as the healing potion, except instead of provides healing, it has ranged with a range value and inflicts damage with a damage value. Okay. Let's add these guys. The first one is pub struct ranged. Pub range I32. And the second one is pub struct inflicts damage. Pub damage I32. Oops. I keep doing this. Okay. And then we're going to, in our spawner, we're going to add, instead of a health potion, not instead of, in addition to a health potion. Okay. I only pasted it once, right? Right. Okay. So we're going to say magic missile scroll. Like that. Instead of this, it's going to be that. And instead of that, it's going to be cyan. And instead of health potion, it is a magic missile scroll. It's an item, it's consumable, and now it has ranged with a range of 6. Oh. Inflicts damage. And this is ranged. The range of 6. Like that. That neatly lays out the oh, I have to register those guys, right? I almost forgot. So we have ranged and inflicts damage. All right. It has a position, an appearance, a name. It's an item that is destroyed on use. It's a range of 6 tiles and inflicts 8 points of damage. That's what I like about components. After a while, it sounds more like you're describing a blueprint for a device than writing many lines of code. We'll go ahead and add them to the spawn list. So random item. Okay. Guess we're back in spawner. What do we have right now for spawning health potions? We can spawn them somewhere. Oh. Okay. This is spawn room. So we have random monster and then health potion. So I guess we're going to change it to random item. Like that. And then we're going to write a new function called random item, which I'll put on top of the other things. Random item. World X I32, Y I32. And then we're doing this roll thing again. Random monster. I think I can just, yeah, grab the same code here. Match roll. One is a health potion. And anything else is a magic missile scroll. And we're not returning it. Right? Let's be consistent. I had a blank line there too. Okay, so we have random monster and then random item. Replace call a health potion in the item spawning code with random item. I did that. Okay. If you run the program with cargo run now, you'll find scrolls as well as potions lying around. The components system already provides quite a bit of functionality. All right. Let's see. Doesn't build yet, but that's easy to fix, right? Spawn ranged and inflicts damage. Ranged inflicts damage. At some point I'll just put a star there, right? Okay, it builds. Refresh. And oh, look at that. First room we visit. And we can hover over it and see that it's a magic missile scroll. And we can take it up, or pick it up. You pick up the magic missile scroll. Magic missile scroll. And if I hit A, it doesn't get used, but it doesn't do anything. Which makes sense because we haven't written any code to do anything with it. Okay. Get this, git add source. Oops. Gotta do a git diff first. Oh, I still have to run Clippy and format on this. Make sure everybody's happy there. Yep, that's what I was expecting. Well, oh, they removed the braces. Okay, I was expecting this. Git add source, git commit -m can now spawn magic missile scrolls. And we'll push that up. All right, we might have time for one more thing. Right, you can see them rendered on the map. You can pick them up and drop them. You can list them in your inventory. You can call use on them, and they are destroyed, but nothing happens. Ooh, do we have a bug? Oh, yeah, we do, because this consumables thing is not is only run if we're in the healer thing. Okay, let's do that. Sorry, let's fix that. If I just move this one brace here and move these 3 lines like that. So now that's separate. Right? Now we should be able to consume. Of course, we're never going to be as lucky as we were before and just find an empty room with a scroll in it, right? Refresh. No. Our luck has run out. Refresh. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. We can pick it up. We can defeat the goblin. Oh, get it. So I picked up the magic missile scroll. And now I can hit A. Now if it... Yes, okay. So it did consume it that time. Okay. Git add source. Oh, flippy. Git diff. Git add source. Git commit -m. Consume magic missile scroll on use. Good. Okay, so fix that bug. So implementing a ranged damage for items. Oh, this is going to be long. I don't think I'm gonna be trying to stream this evening. So this is an exceptionally short stream today. I'm not going to be able to get through this in the time I have left. Wow. Yeah, this is a lot. So we will look at this hopefully in about 11 hours. I've got to get going now, but in about 11 hours, fingers crossed everything goes well, I'll be able to stream again. Because I won't be able to stream until next Wednesday, unfortunately. Okay, so we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Take care.